This tumbler has 3 parts: top, middle, and bottom. First, open LockLook Idea Studio on the right side of the interface. Under My Device, select HTVRONT A200 Tumbler Heat Press. Then, under Canvas Size, choose the size of your transfer paper. For the 40-ounce tumbler with handle, select 35, 56 by 21, 5 centimeters. Next, you'll see the cup types listed: 40-ounce tumbler with handle, straight tumbler, and glass. After selecting the 40-ounce tumbler with handle, you will find 5 templates available: upper, handle excluded; upper, full coverage; middle, low; middle, low. Here, we are selecting upper, full coverage, template. Now, move to the left side of the interface and click Upload to upload your favorite image. Drag, resize, and position your image to fit within the red lines of the template. Then, click Clipping Mask at the top, and your image will be perfectly cropped to match the top section of the tumbler. If your design includes text, don't forget to flip it horizontally. Next, click File Print. And then print again to open the print settings. At this point, load your sublimation paper into the printer, making sure the blank side is facing up for printing. Based on your printer model, set the paper size to legal 8.5 x 14 inches and choose landscape orientation. For the paper type, select high-quality glossy paper or high-quality matte paper, and set the print quality to high dot. Then, you can go ahead and start printing. After printing the top design, go back to the canvas, delete the top pattern, then click on the blank canvas area and select the middle and low templates. This time, I'll choose to print both the middle and bottom together on one sheet. Finally, repeat the same printing steps as before, and you're all set. Then, trim along the edge, and don't forget to cut 2 small rectangles on the top section for the screws. Now we can pick the image we like. Click Library at the top right, then click Images at the top left. In Tumbler, under With Handle 40 ounces, you'll find ready-to-use specialty tumbler designs. Double-click the design you like, then click Go Design, and it will automatically take you to the canvas. Right-click the image and select Ungroup to separate the design. This gives you 3 separate designs for the top, middle, and bottom. Place each of the 3 designs onto the blank canvas, and then you're ready to print them out as before.